So in this video, I will tell you how to customize your homepage. For example, if you want cars, you can just search up car like this. So car like Maserati, and follow them like so. You want to like, comment like a normal person would. Nice car, cool car, like that. You want to follow other cars as well. The point is that you have to tell Instagram that you are really into car. Do this for a few times, maybe. Then if you swipe up, everything will become car like this. So easy. That is how you customize your homepage, guys. That is how, if you want to post something into the car niche, this is how you're able to do that. Very easy.